Hi there, students. To orchestrate. Well, I'm sure you all know the word an orchestra. So the basic meaning of to orchestrate is to compose music for an orchestra or to provide music for something. So the dance steps had been worked out, but they still needed to orchestrate the ballet, okay, to provide music for something. But that's very specific. We also use to orchestrate metaphorically, to arrange something, to combine it, to design it, so that something has the maximum effect. The publicity was orchestrated in order to create a great deal of hype for the film that was going to come out. Okay, so to orchestrate, to organize an event or a situation so that it produces the result that you want. He was able to orchestrate a military coup d'etat by communication with his colleagues within the army. An orchestrated campaign. Notice very often as well, we use this verb to orchestrate, meaning to arrange something so that it's achieved, but maybe unfairly. So the trial of a political prisoner in a dictatorship will be orchestrated to show that the person is guilty of heinous crimes. Okay. The event was beautifully orchestrated and everything came in at the same time. At the dinner party, the catering company orchestrated the serving of the food very, very well. Okay, it was well orchestrated. Okay, so to arrange and control the elements of something to achieve success. Okay, so for example, yeah, a manager of a team tries to orchestrate a particular set of maneuvers in order to score a goal. Yeah. So to orchestrate, to organize, to plan, to set up, to arrange, to put together, to coordinate. Yeah, to stage manage as well. Notice if something is stage managed, it looks like this is true. So they all of this was orchestrated to make me look guilty, even though I wasn't. It was stage managed to make me look guilty. Okay, so to orchestrate, to put together, to arrange, to plan and coordinate the different elements of a situation to produce the desired effect, particularly when this organization is not seen. Yeah, it's something that's behind the scenes, and the people seeing it or viewing it don't actually realize that all of this has been orchestrated. It's been planned or put together. The company orchestrated a situation in which they were able to dismiss the workers for breaking their contracts. Okay, they set up the situation, they managed it, and they drew the workers into a trap where they reacted normally because everything had been orchestrated. The situation had been planned and put together. Okay, so to orchestrate. I think I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. I think I would want to use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal or a formal writing. And, well, as to origin, it comes from the Latin word orchestra, which itself comes from ancient Greek. Orchestra, which comes from orcheomai, to dance. So choreography, the dance, the dance or a dance is organized. It's been orchestrated so that people do the right thing at the right time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To orchestrate, orchestration.